The brick and icon of value, the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, a legend, an icon. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement, a testament to engineering excellence and timeless design. Some call it the G-Wagon, others simply the G. But no matter what you call it, the respect it commands is universal. But everyone agrees, this thing holds its value like it's made of gold bars. It's a rare gem in the automotive world, a true investment on wheels. Buy one today and chances are, you'll sell it for a pretty penny down the road. Its value doesn't just hold, it appreciates, making it a smart choice for the discerning buyer. What's the secret? It's not just one thing, it's everything. Decades of innovation, a commitment to quality, and a design that never goes out of style. History, design, capability, and yes, a hefty dose of desirability. Step inside, and you're greeted with luxury that rivals the finest of sedans. The G-Wagon is in a class of its own. Its off-road prowess is legendary, making it as comfortable on a mountain trail as it is on city streets. People kill for this kind of resale value. It's not just a car, it's a status symbol, a piece of automotive history. Makes you wonder what makes this boxy beast so special, doesn't it? It's the sum of its parts, each meticulously crafted to perfection. Buckle up, because we're about to break it down. From its robust frame to its powerful engine, every detail is designed to thrill. Get ready for a wild ride. The G-Wagon isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, a journey into the extraordinary. Born in the rough and tumble world of military service, the G-Wagon started life as a rugged off-roader. Back in 1979, it was all about function over form. But then something interesting happened. People noticed its go-anywhere attitude, its unstoppable spirit. Soon, the G-Wagon found its way from muddy fields to posh city streets. Mercedes realized they had a hit on their hands. Over the years, they refined the G-Wagon, adding luxury, technology, and a touch of class. But one thing never changed, that rugged DNA. That's the magic formula right there. The G-Wagon is a paradox, a true marvel of engineering. It's as tough as nails, built on a sturdy ladder-frame chassis that can withstand the harshest conditions. This thing can conquer mountains, ford rivers, and laugh in the face of a pothole. No terrain is too challenging for this beast, but step inside, and you're greeted by a world of luxury. The interior is a sanctuary of comfort and elegance. Hand-stitched leather, cutting-edge technology, and a level of comfort that would make a king jealous. Every detail is meticulously crafted. It's this unique blend of luxury and ruggedness that makes the G-Wagon so special. It's not just a vehicle, it's an experience. It can handle anything you throw at it, whether it's a black tie event or a backcountry adventure. The G-Wagon is always ready, and that, my friends, is a rare combination. A vehicle that is both a symbol of status and a testament to engineering prowess. Section 4, Status Symbol and Off-Road Beast. The G-Wagon has become more than just a car, it's a statement. It tells the world you've arrived. Celebrities, athletes, and successful entrepreneurs all want a piece of the G-Wagon pie. But it's not just about show. The G-Wagon attracts a diverse crowd. Adventurers love its off-road prowess, families appreciate its safety and spaciousness. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to cruise around in a vehicle that turns heads wherever it goes? The G-Wagon is a magnet for attention, and that's a powerful thing. Section 5, the G-Wagon versus the rest. Now, there are plenty of luxury SUVs out there, but none of them have the same aura as the G-Wagon. Take the Range Rover, for example. It's luxurious, capable, but it lacks the G-Wagon's presence. It blends in. The G-Wagon stands out, or the Porsche Cayenne. A fantastic machine, no doubt, but it's more about on-road performance. The G-Wagon is happy on or off the pavement. The G-Wagon occupies a unique space in the market. It's the king of the hill, and everyone knows it. Section 6, an investment on wheels. So, why does the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon hold its value so well? It's simple, really. It's a perfect storm of desirability, capability, and exclusivity. It's a car that turns heads, conquers any terrain, and makes a statement. Demand is high, supply is limited, and that drives up the price. Owning a G-Wagon is like owning a piece of automotive history. It's a status symbol, an adventure companion, and a damn good investment. So if you're lucky enough to get your hands on one, hold on to it. It's only going to become more valuable with time. Trust me on this one. The G-Wagon is not just a vehicle, it's an experience, a lifestyle, and a legacy. From its handcrafted interior to its powerful engine, every detail is meticulously designed. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling rugged trails, it performs flawlessly. It's versatile enough for family road trips, yet sophisticated enough for a night out in the town. The G-Wagon is more than just a car. It's a statement of success and a testament to engineering excellence. With regular maintenance, it can last for decades, making it a wise investment for the future. So, if you're considering an investment on wheels, look no further than the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. It's a decision you won't regret, and one that will pay dividends in both joy and value over the years.